Writing style casual. Hey everyone, I'm here with a news update that's both chilling and a stark reminder of the forces of nature. Today, we're diving into a tragic story out of Sandy, Utah. Just yesterday, the quiet of the Wasatch Range was shattered by an avalanche that claimed the lives of two adventurous souls, Andrew Cameron and Austin Mallett. Andrew was just 23, a young man from Utah with a passion for the slopes. Austin, at 32, hailed from Montana and shared that same passion. Both were swept away in an unexpected avalanche while backcountry skiing in the Lone Peak area. This isn't just a story about a tragic incident. It's a grim tally mark in this winter's record, bringing the number of avalanche deaths in the U.S. to 15. Every year, about 30 people lose their lives to avalanches in the States, and each story is a heartbreaking reminder of the unpredictable and dangerous nature of backcountry skiing. The recovery effort itself was a battle against nature. Search teams, braving harsh and unstable conditions, faced delays due to the treacherous weather and precarious snowpack. It's a heroic but somber task, retrieving loved ones so they can be returned to their families. While the thrill of skiing untouched snow can be enticing, it comes with significant risks. Avalanches, like the one that claimed Andrew and Austin, happen in mere moments, yet their impacts stretch far beyond the immediate chaos. So as we reflect on this tragedy, let's remember the importance of safety in adventure sports. Nature is a powerful force, and respecting that power is key to enjoying the beauty and thrill of the outdoors without becoming a statistic. Stay safe out there, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.